In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do the robotic voice in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the effect, how to preview it, and how to apply it cleanly to your audio so it sounds intentional and polished. Start by opening CapCut and loading the project you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new project and bring your footage in first, then add your voice track so everything lines up. You can import a recorded voice file or record directly inside CapCut, whichever is easier for you. Make sure your audio clip is on the timeline and visibly highlighted. CapCut's audio tools only appear when an audio clip is selected, so this part matters. With the audio clip selected, look for the voice changer option. Depending on your device or layout, you'll see it in the lower toolbar or the audio editing panel. If you don't see it, tap the audio clip again to reselect it, or zoom the timeline slightly so CapCut refreshes the context menu. Once Voice Changer opens, you'll see different categories of effects. Switch to the Voice Characters section. This is where the stylized transformations live, and it's the right place for synthetic tones like robot voices. The layout may show a grid or a list, but the idea is the same. You're browsing character presets designed to radically change the tone and texture of your voice. Now look for the robot effect. Scroll through the options and tap Robot to preview what it will sound like on your selected clip. Use headphones if you can. It makes subtle artifacts easier to hear. Take a moment to listen for clarity in consonants and overall intelligibility. Robotic effects are fun, but you still want the words to be easy to understand. When you're happy with the sound, apply the effect to your clip. Confirm with the Apply or Check button so it sticks. If a strength or mix slider appears, start around the middle and adjust slowly. Too much can make the voice metallic and hard to follow. Too little may not feel robotic enough. Play the timeline to confirm timing and tone. If the effect didn't apply, reselect the clip and try again. That's it. The robotic voice is now active on your audio. You can always return to Voice Changer to tweak or switch presets without starting over. Practice a few passes to find the balance that fits your style, and you'll have a crisp, robotic voice ready for your edit.